Number 3 looks for us to just factor. So here it's already a trinomial, so we can set this up the traditional way. We're going to find two numbers that multiply to 2 times 5, which is going to be 10. That adds up to this middle number of 11. Those two numbers here are going to be 1 and 10, 1 and 10. Next, we want to divide by that ax term, so we divide by 2x. Nothing does simplify here, so it just becomes 1 over 2x. The 10 over 2x does simplify, getting us 5 over just x. In factor form, we get 2x plus 1 and x plus 5. Here, this is factored form. And we went from standard form into factored form using a process called factoring. That's what the dashes and the dashes were for. Next, let's do this one. 2 times negative 15. Dash times dash is equal to negative 30. That adds up to this middle number of 1. So those numbers are probably 6 and 5, 6 and 5. One of them is negative, and it is the negative 5. 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. 6 plus negative 5 is 1. Then we divide by that 2x term. See if anything simplifies. 6 over 2x does simplify, becomes 3 over 1. Negative 5 over 2x does not simplify. Your factors would be x plus 3 and 2x minus 5. See, here, let's set up the dashes here. 2 times negative 4, which is negative 28. So dash times dash is equal to negative 28. And the middle number, dash plus dash, is equal to negative 3. All right, so those numbers are 7 and 4, 7 and 4. The negative is on the 7. Then we do want to divide by that ax term, so 2x divided by 2x. Nothing simplifies, negative 7 over 2x, and the 2x does simplify, becomes 2 over x. In factor form, we get 2x minus 7 and x plus 2. There you go. That is how you factor the trinomial.